remember coming on YouTube to share how much my international TikTok accounts pay me for 1 million view. That video actually got over 46.7k view, and it was not just what that video, the views that that particular video got on YouTube, or the money I actually got from YouTube, but it is the comments that a lot of people actually went directly to drop in that particular video. So in that particular video, when I said, oh, this is how much my international TikTok accounts paid me for 1 million view, a lot of people were like, you were not on the right niche. A lot of people were like, the minute duration. A lot of people were like, country restrictions, and so on and so forth. So finally, I decided to check all of those comments, because one thing I love to do for myself is experimenting to see if truly what these people are saying is right. So I took that as an opportunity to myself, and I said, okay, let me see if I can change the time, minute, duration. Let me see if I can do some more things that can actually spicy up my international TikTok account, because for God's sake, I bought this particular account with my ad-earned money, right? Anyways, I started looking into what I can actually do, even if I'm not too interested in that particular thing. But right now, I think I'm getting more interested gradually, because I'm beginning to know more, and you guys might even see changes maybe in one of my channel very soon. Anyways, I took that into practice, and I checked. One of my video actually went viral. That was last 3 weeks, and that video, as at the time of filming this video right now, that video is over 200,000 view, like 200,000 point something, 6k view or something like that. And I decided to say, okay, let me share with you guys how much my international TikTok account actually pay me for 200,000 view, so that if you're looking forward to get an international TikTok account, or you're already in the UK, US, where this international TikTok account is already eligible, if it is time for you to pick up your camera and start trying to do something, I don't know, maybe after the video you can actually judge. Okay, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly how much the international TikTok account paid me, and then I'll go ahead and explain to you guys what I did differently. Okay, anyways, with that being said, I'll just go into my screen record. So let's go to my TikTok. Okay, so go to my TikTok. My screen record is all started. Here am I on my TikTok account, and this is the particular video I did. This one I said, if you live in the US, or you have any, or you have to be very careful, which is this particular video. And this video was about the bubonic plague that was actually trending on TikTok. I saw a lot of people saying, oh, US now had what is called bubonic plague, that everybody should be careful. So I said, okay, let me do a video about it as well. And luckily for me, that video got over 200,000 views. As you guys can see here, 0.6, it got 3.2k share, and the video got 108 comments, and the video got 691 reposts, and then the video got 4,084 likes. Right now, let's click on the analysis. So let's click on view more insights. So if you click on view more insights, you can see everything that the video got that I've mentioned from the above here. Right now, you can see the metrics for 578 views in total. The total watch time that the video has actually gathered is 11 hours, 62 minutes, 47 seconds. You can see the average viewer duration coming from that video. It is 30.3 seconds. You can see the people that watched full video is 1.64%, and you can see the new followers is 269 from just that video. And you can see my estimated revenue here of $5.73. $5.73. Now, this is how the matrix automatically work. As you can see, that video was uploaded on the 23rd of August to 29th of August. You can see how it actually went up, picked up, and then now is now slashing down. And then you can see retention rate. On average, viewers watch 22% of your videos, right? Most viewers stopped watching at 0.2 seconds. Check the moment, and so on and so forth. So this is them bringing out the analysis for me. Yes, TikTok also do that, right? Then you can see the traffic source of this particular video from my FYP, from search. It simply means people are searching about bubonic plague, and it simply means that this video will still continue to get watched every single day, because as at yesterday it was 199. This morning already 200 and something thousand views. There you can see search queries as well, pest virus, bubonic plague, which is the actual thing I talked about. paste virus, blah blah blah, bubonic plague, paste, and the rest of that. Want more traffic on audience, use promotion. But me, I do not do promotion. So for a video of 200 and something thousand views, from the upside that I've showed you guys have seen that I've made $5.73. Now let's end this so that we can talk. Now, was this a big achievement for me? Yes, it is a big achievement because I know how many videos I've been able to pull out here, over millions of views, for me to just get just 30 cents. You understand? And when I got that 30 cents, I was like, no, I abandoned the TikTok account, but I just went back to my videos and then I checked what people are actually saying, and this was actually something that actually changed the game for me. One, I noticed that if you are doing more of your country related video, because your country is not eligible, the possibility of them pushing it out is there, but the possibility of you making money is not there. Because I have videos of 100 and something thousand views with $0. I have videos of 200 and something thousand views with $0. I have videos of 30 something thousand, 50 something thousand views. My video really picked up on my international TikTok account during that time of Junior Pope, because I was doing more of Nigerian trending news when Junior Pope died. So I also talked about his video and some persons that were sharing his condolences and the rest of that, and that was where I blew up and I saw millions and millions of views without getting anything out of it. So if you really want to make out something from your international TikTok account, you need to know that, one, TikTok international TikTok account considers some views as views that are engaged views, right? I'll put a screenshot of this probably on my end here, showing you guys for the 200 and something thousand views, the particular views that they counted that this was the one that is monetizable. So they did not monetize all the 200,000 views. They will take out some particular views, and honestly, from all my videos that I've been posting, this has been one of the that actually done well for me on my international TikTok account. And I was so happy when I saw my balance, because I told myself, I bought this account with money. Definitely I need to work out the money out so that I can withdraw and know that yes, the money that I spent on my international TikTok account, I've actually been able to recover it. So if you are not in the country, if you're not residing in the country where it is eligible, if you are in any of this country like Nigeria, you need to make sure you look out for things that is happening within that particular country. That is what I will advise you. So I'm still trying to navigate my way. Like I said, maybe if I fully navigate my way, and I'm still very good in trying to look out for what I will actually do very well here, I might just say, okay, let me see if I can consider it on YouTube as well. Now, another thing that you need to know is, if you really want your international TikTok account to be pulling out money for you, your videos should not be 15 seconds or 60 seconds. You understand? I'm not saying those videos are not monetizable. They are monetizable, but I knew that my earning was that high because of, I had what they call it, that video was a 3 minutes plus video, right? I talked about it, I analyzed it, and the engagement there as well also contributed to what made that money that high. Yes, I know that a lot of people will be like, oh, YouTube is better. Definitely YouTube is better, because even if it's on my normal shorts video, I can have a short video of 200,000 and make more than this. I have a short video of 50 something thousand views and I've made even up to $5. You get what I'm trying to say? So definitely YouTube is better than every other platform as far as I'm concerned. I don't know about you, right? But as far as I'm concerned, YouTube is better. But it is also good that we get some small side hustle. Even if I'm able to gather this small $1, $3, $2 from now to December, maybe I'll be able to get my money that I use in buying the account. I don't know, but this is how much you actually pay me. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you have an international TikTok account as well? Let me know. Has he paid you? Let me know. How many views, how many video minutes duration. If there's anything you think I should still do to spicy up my international TikTok account, yes, please let me know. Note that if you stitch a video, you're not making anything from me. TikTok will disqualify it. I did a stitch, they disqualified it. You understand? Dwelt, they will disqualify it. The only time that you will be qualified is when you have like a full video. So I will advise you, if you have, try it and see something good will come out for you. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.